on oath, I live in the United States. This is the best moment when we visiting Thailand in 2017, and I took my husband to the Elephant Nature Park in Chiangmai and stayed whole day with elephant. We did hiking too, we feeding them, and I will share other video with full day, but this one I would like to share only the special moment that I really love this, as we spent time bathing the elephants in the river even though the water was very cold. Anyway, I will not talking to the whole video, just let you guys enjoy watching me and other tourists in our group. The guy gave us each bucket, and also he suggests that we should grab a tiny rock or even sand to, as it can use for rubbing the elephant's body because the elephant's skin is very thick, and he said elephant love when we rub the skin with the rock, as I did. Do you see me? The one that buried the head, that's me. And at the end, you might see, I'm sure you will see, at the end when elephant walk back, they close to my camera, and I was very happy because at that area there was a concrete pipe, big pipe sitting there, and then I set my camera on the pipe which I can recording the video here. And when elephant walked back up, at first I saw them walk through my camera and I thought about it might hit my camera and then I will lost all video, but it ended up like they didn't, they just walked past, and I can see, we can see, you can see on my video that their faces very close to the camera. I was really love that. Anyway, this is what I want to show on the video. Please watching until end. This wasn't my first time spend time with the elephant at this sanctuary, but it was second. The first time was very long time ago before I met my husband, but with my ex-boyfriend from UK took me once, and I'm not sure if that place is the same as here, but it was sanctuary too. I was not sure, I keep checking but still could not find any information. Anyway, I told my husband about this place and I showed him, and then on the website there were many packages which you can pick it what you want to do. You also can stay overnight with the elephant, and also you can be volunteer, but the expenses are different. You can see and check it out if you want to. I learned a lot about elephant injured and hurt from people, and people in this place help them. We stop riding them, and people here don't use the hook on them. That is good thing. They just give them love and care, and elephant will understand and never hurt again. But still, other people use elephant for entertaining people. Anyway, I I don't blame them because still many people get advantage from them. Well, we do what we can, right? And at least me and my husband, after learning the sadness story, we agree that we will never ride elephant again. As yes, we did in the past. Even we sit on the elephant's tusk at one of the garden, like the zoo. Okay, that is what I want to talk. And still the rest of video, please enjoy, and thank you for supporting me. Have a good day.